So, if you have seen the title of this video, I am literally customizing my Aoshima, aka ACKS Mechagodzilla, aka Kiryu model kit. And right now, I'm literally going to spray paint it with a little bit of chromish silver paint. This is actually for cars, but this will work too. Right now, if you want to spray paint, one thing that you really need if you are new to this model kit experience, first of all, mouth protection, like this. And second of all, that you need, if you want to hold it up, you need gloves and some sticks and some sticky tacks to lighten up the lines of the paint, like you're brushing the model kit. Right now I have a empty pizza box because I don't have sticky cat tacks nor sticks. So I'm using the old-fashioned way, put it on the ground and let it dry for hours and hours. And wait, I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, here we go. Just got grass. Yeah, get up here. Okay, here we go. You need to be pristine when you paint your model kit, or else you're gonna leave. See, you're gonna be leaving a big mess. And because I literally have not enough tools, I do my way. But I recommend you to follow other model kit enthusiasts, those who are actually more professional than me, who can teach you how to paint with spray paints and such. But if you want to spray paint your own, and you're a minor, I recommend you to have an adult as help. Or else, good luck having chemicals in your body. Trust me, it's not a fun experience. So, yeah, if you want me to review this, leave a like. You know, the Aoshima model kit. I actually have the Mechagodzilla 2003, aka the Kiryu. So this is actually the better Kiryu for the job, because they both scale perfectly. I'll show you later.